Welcome to Fun for Kids Club.
Lion. The king of the jungle. Tiger. A strong cat with orange fur and black stripes. Elephant. The biggest land animal with a long trunk. Giraffe. The tallest animal with a very long neck. Zebra. A horse with black and white stripes. Monkey. A playful animal that loves to climb trees. Gorilla. A big, gentle ape that lives in the forest. Panda. A cute black and white bear that eats bamboo. Koala. A small, sleepy animal that hugs trees. Kangaroo. An animal that jumps and carries its baby in a pouch. Bear. A big furry animal that loves honey. Penguin. A bird that cannot fly but swims very well. Dolphin. A smart ocean animal that loves to play. Whale. The largest animal in the ocean. Shark. A strong fish with many sharp teeth. Octopus. An ocean animal with 8 arms. Sea turtle. A gentle swimmer with a hard shell. Seal. A cute ocean animal that claps its flippers. Starfish. A sea animal shaped like a star. Clownfish. A small orange and white fish. Horse. A fast animal that loves to run. Cow. A farm animal that gives us milk. Sheep. A fluffy animal that says ba-ba. Goat. A funny farm animal that loves to climb. Chicken. A bird that lays eggs and says, cluck, cluck. Duck. A bird that swims and says, quack, quack. Cat. A soft pet that loves to purr. Dog. A friendly pet that loves to play. Rabbit. A cute animal with long ears and quick hops. Hamster. A tiny pet that runs in a little wheel. Squirrel. A small animal that climbs trees and collects nuts. Fox. A clever animal with a fluffy tail. Wolf. A strong animal that howls at the moon. Hippopotamus. A big animal that spends a lot of time in water. Rhinoceros. A strong animal with a big horn on its nose. Crocodile. A reptile with sharp teeth that lives in the water. Frog. A small jumping animal that says ribbit. Turtle. A slow-moving animal that carries its shell. Snake. A long animal with no legs that slides on the ground. Parrot. A colorful bird that can learn to talk. Owl. A bird with big eyes that stays awake at night. Eagle. A strong bird that flies very high. Flamingo. A pink bird that stands on one leg. Peacock. A bird with beautiful, colorful feathers. Camel. A desert animal that can go a long time without water. Deer. A gentle forest animal with antlers. Moose. A large animal with very big antlers. Hedgehog. A tiny animal with soft spikes. Ladybug. A small red insect with black spots. Butterfly. A gentle insect with colorful wings.
Thanks for watching, kids. Great job today. You're so